And joining us first on CNBC this morning is Okta's co-founder and CEO, Todd McKinnon. Todd, thanks for the time. Great to see you.
Yeah, it's great to be here, Carl.
I hope you won't mind sort of asking first whether or not you share this sort of macro concern about software and whether or not it's the victim of some crowding out amid this AI push.
Well, I think it depends on your time horizon. We definitely see some macro headwinds, and they've been in the market for, I would say, 2 to 3 quarters. And I think the big discussion and debate is, what are we seeing here? Is this kind of a new normal, or is this just comparatively slower than it was 2 years ago? Because 2 years ago was really rip-roaring success across every dimension and growth. And now it's a different world, so everyone's trying to sort through what they've purchased, how they integrate it, how they get the value out of the technology they've deployed. And what we're seeing in our business is that identity management is one of those foundational technologies that is required whether you're trying to make your workers more productive, trying to get more customers on your website or mobile app, or trying to get it all secure. And that's, over the long term, is going to persist through any kind of macroeconomic environment.
So it doesn't necessarily prod you to make any tweaks to any kind of tactical or strategic playbooks you have?
One of the things we've been doing, and this is both our tactics but also the market pulling us, is we're moving into the large enterprise segment, and we're seeing a lot of success there. It's the $1 million plus annual contracts in our business are the fastest growing cohort. We're seeing tremendous success in the public sector vertical, which has the biggest organizations. We had a big win with the Department of Defense agency this last quarter, 7-figure deal. So we're seeing a lot of pull there. But it's really representative of what we think is this long-term opportunity, which is whether it's AI, whether you're building more AI apps, or whether you're trying to use AI to make your workforce more productive, all of that needs identity. You have to get the right people logging into the right systems and making sure it's all secure to make it all work together. So that's why we think for the long term we're very well positioned.
And of course, a subject on the analyst call yesterday was the breach. This is the second quarter in a row where you've shown, or at least you've said, that there was no material impact, no quantifiable impact to the numbers. Do you feel at this point in time that you are out of the woods on that front? And if so, why do you think it is that the customers have been so sticky?
Well, I think when we think about the history of Okta and the future of Okta, a big important part of it is our secure identity commitment. This is our long-term commitment to lead the industry in the fight against identity-based attacks. 8 out of every 10 cyber attacks involve some kind of identity compromise, and our breach back in October was no exception. So we're really trying to model the best practices for the industry, whether it's hardening our own corporate infrastructure or making sure our products are deployed and secure by default, making sure that everyone knows how to defend our whole industry from these attacks, because it's a big issue. And if we're going to unlock the power of technology and give freedom for people to choose technology and make it happen securely, we have to solve this problem. So I think what you're seeing is customers are looking to us as an example of how to do this right, and that's what's resonating.
So they feel like you have therefore kind of solved the gap that was exploited in October. And, how are those conversations trickling into, the potential for future deals and conversations with potential clients? Are they still coming up?
Yeah, they come up sometimes. But when they do come up, it starts tactical with what happened, what you did about it. But very quickly it turns into the customer or the prospect wants to learn from us because they know that we're one of the most attacked companies in the world. In fact, we block 2 billion attacks per month across our entire customer base. And so they want to learn from us. Hey, if you're being attacked like this, what do you do? What do you use? How do you configure your own products? What technologies do you deploy around that to make yourselves more robust? And the conversation turns very productive, which is, I think, what you're seeing in some of the results we released yesterday.